along with the Prime Minister, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari, Union Minister of State in the Prime Minister's office, Dr. Jitendra Singh, Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Mehbooba Mufti, the Governor N.N. Vora, the Prime Minister unveiling the plaque and formally inaugurating and dedicating to the nation the Chenani-Nashri tunnel, a 9.2 kilometer engineering marvel, state-of-the-art tunnel which will not only cut down travel time and reduce distance physically, but also will be a major step in integrating the Kashmir Valley with the rest of the state and increasing connectivity and by a spin-off development. The Prime Minister right now sitting for a group photograph with all the engineers of the company that actually executed this project. He shall be traveling. It is a great technological marvel, and looking cut through a mountain, various systems put in place. Actually, a 19-kilometer long passage. Systems. There are two tunnels. The traffic control system is the main kilometer. Lighting is the main tunnel. The electrical systems, parallel ventilation tunnels. So that communication about 18.4. There are 29 cross passages connecting the two tunnels, the main tunnel with the evacuation tunnel. So they've actually cut the mountain by about 19 kilometers in just 4 years. The Prime Minister now proceeding to take a first-hand account of the tunnel. He shall be traveling throughout the tunnel and looking at the various systems put in place, be it the firefighting systems, be it the traffic control systems, be it the lighting, be it the electrical systems, the ventilation systems, the communication systems inside the tunnel, the facilities being provided for inside the tunnel for commuters. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Jammu and Kashmir Governor N.N. Vora, Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti on a mounted vehicle are actually right now going inside the tunnels. These lights that you see, this is the Chenani entrance. About 6,000 LED lights will be lighting the tunnel. Now the Prime Minister, the facilities with the Jammu and Kashmir Governor and the Chief Minister reviewing inside the tunnel for commuters. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Jammu and Kashmir Governor N.N. Vora. You can see the lighting of the tunnel. Chief Minister, these systems have been put in place. Those fans are part of controlling the air in the tunnel. A mounted vehicle. In fact, different colored lights, like red lights, now white lights, green light, orange lights that you see, orange Chenani entrance, have been introduced to break monotony. What happens LED lights when, say, a driver will be lighting the tunnel. You can see the green lights along with it, along the white lights, the different colored lights, and the Chief Minister to break the monotony of the driving experience. And if somebody experiences phobia, to sort of take their attention away and divert their attention. You can see the lighting of the tunnel introduced. Systems have been put in place. Those fans are part of transversing through controlling the air in the safe journey. In fact, different colored lights, like red lights, white gradient, green light, that means that during orange light, the middle of the tunnel introduced to break goes up by 0.5 gradient. When, say, a driver towards the Nashri, the tunnel, you can see these green lights along with it, the white lights, the different colored lights, boxes to break the monotony cameras of the driving 75 meters. And if somebody experiences phobia, systems to sort of take their carbon dioxide attention away and divert their attention, sensors, lights have been introduced so that linear heat detectors, if the part of a tunnel is heating up, could be a safe field journey. Heat and smoke detectors fitted along this tunnel, and has a gradient state-of-the-art technology is fitted at the middle of the tunnel, where the tunnel goes up by 0.5 gradient. The part of the tunnel comes down towards the Nashri. If a vehicle breaks down here and there is fire, all along
dampeners,
SOS boxes
will come into effect
CCTV
in
cameras
that
at every 75
of the
meters.
tunnel. Traffic will only be stopped.
Air monitoring
little
systems
ahead of
CO
that section of the tunnel,
carbon
so that
dioxide
that
and
part
carbon
can be
monoxide,
isolated, and fire
sensors
tenders
in the
opacity
evacuation
sensors
tunnel
which run
linear heat
parallel to the main
detectors.
tunnel.
If the part of the tunnel is
along
heating up,
with
the detectors can
feel
fire
the heat,
tending
heat
bikes
and smoke
and use
detectors,
various
latest
fitted
technologies
along
of say the foam method to
state-of-the-art
technology
fire.
is fitted in this tunnel, where in that particular tunnel, say the part of the tunnel that you're right now seeing, if a vehicle breaks down here and there is fire,
elaborate communication system inside the tunnel
into effect.
Of course, the
in
VHF
that particular section
radio
of the
works
tunnel.
here.
Traffic will
in fact, 92.7 radio FM radio broadcasting
section
is,
of the tunnel,
does also.
so that
This is the
that
control
part
panel
can be
that you
isolated,
see on your
and
screens.
fire tenders in
These,
the evacuation
you can
tunnel,
see the vehicles
which run
actually being
parallel to the
monitored.
main
There
tunnel.
are people
will
sitting here. It's an
arrive
automated
along,
system
which
the,
can detect that an accident
fire
has
tending
happened,
bikes
say,
in a
and
particular
use
part
various
of the
latest
tunnel,
technologies
or the air
of,
quality
say,
in
the
a
foam
particular
method
part of
to
the
put
tunnel
out
has
that
gone
fire.
down.
The ventilation then system will then start pumping more fresh air there, or start using the exhaust to throw out the carbon dioxide or the carbon monoxide,
communication
the
system
toxic
inside the tunnel.
smoke.
Of course,
that
the VHF
may have accumulated there.
radio
this
works
is the
here.
control room.
In fact,
from where
92.7 radio
FM
radio
broadcasting
integrated
is
control
does also.
system
This is the
is
control panel
operated
that you
It's,
see on your
automate
screens. A lot of functions
these
of these are
you can see
automated.
the vehicles
The idea behind
actually
it
being
is
monitored
to reduce
there are people
human
sitting
human
here. It's an
intervention,
automated system
and thereby
which can
the
detect
scope
that
of human
an accident
error
has happened, say in a particular part of the tunnel, or the air quality in a particular part of the tunnel
radio
has gone down.
the ventilation
then
FM
system will then
start
work
pumping
in
fresh,
the tunnel,
more fresh air there,
or
start
control
mechanism
using
so
the
designed
exhaust to throw
that,
out the carbon dioxide or the carbon monoxide
by
by
toxic
the
smoke
by
that
the
may have
traffic
accumulated
management
there.
here.
This is
And
the
if
control
an
room
important
from where
has to be made.
it can be made
integrated
over the
control
FM radio
system by
is
actually
operated.
stopping
It's
the broadcast.
a lot of
Your
functions
phones of
will
these
work.
are automated.
GSM phones
The
will
idea
work
behind it
inside
is
to
the
reduce
tunnel.
human
There is, of
intervention,
course,
and thereby
the
objective
scope
of
of broadcasting
error. That means that if you wish to, what you're seeing on your screens right now is a telephone
there
box.
is an FM
radio
if there is a
broadcasting
case of emergency or a
breakdown
will work
commuters
in
can
the
get
tunnel
off and make a call, and
control
the
mechanism
is so
assistance
designed
will arrive,
that,
which in
it can
any
be
case
taken
is
over
being
at any
monitored
time
in the
by
control room that you
the
see
on
by
your
the
screens
traffic management
right now.
here.
An integrated
And if an
control
important
room
announcement
has to
automated,
be made. It can be made
is,
over the FM radio by actually stopping the broadcast
run by
your
phones
control
will work.
systems. GSM
But
phones
if
will
human
work
intervention
inside
is required.
the
SOS
tunnel
boxes.
There is
have
of
been
course
fitted
telephone equipment,
executive
broadcasting.
In any case,
that means
the
that if
telephone,
you wish to,
what you're seeing on
GSM
your screens
right
SIMs,
now,
your
is a telephone
mobile
box.
phones
If
work
there is a case
inside
of emergency or a
the
breakdown, commuters can get off and make a call, and
there is a SOS box
at
every
150 meters,
which in any
on
case
both
is
sides
being monitored
of the tunnel.
in the
It's a
control room
bi-directional
that you
tunnel.
see
That
on
means
your
one lane
screens
of
right
outgoing
now.
traffic,
An
one
integrated
lane of
control
incoming
room
traffic,
which is
automated.
118 SOS boxes
completely
on both sides
run
there are
by
CCTV
cameras with
but
aid
if human
at every
intervention is
75
required,
meters.
SOS boxes
So
have been
every
fitted,
telephone equipment have been
every
fitted.
movement
In any
of
case,
every vehicle
the telephone
is being
tracked
GSM
on
SIMs,
the
your
control system,
mobile
the
phones
fully integrated
work
tunnel
inside
controlling system.
the tunnel.
There is a carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide.
There is a
an
SOS
opacity
box
sensor
at every
150
meters,
1200
on both
meters
sides
of the
essentially
tunnel
to
It's
monitor
a bi-directional
air
tunnel.
quality.
That means one
if
lane
the air
of
quality
outgoing
has
traffic,
reduced,
one lane of
there is a
incoming traffic.
ventilation system
118
which will pump in
SOS
fresh air
boxes on both
and
sides.
pump out. There are
The
CCTV
still
cameras
from
with aid
that
at
particular
every
section.
75 meters.
The ventilation
So
system,
every,
transverse ventilation system,
every
which is
movement
being used
of every vehicle
for the first
is
time
being
in the
complete
tunnel
on
in India. Is
the control
will-
system
is
in
the fully
any case
integrated
running
tunnel controlling system
around the clock in the
There is
tunnel.
a carbon dioxide and carbon
The Prime
monoxide
Minister
and
himself
opacity sensor
reviewing the
at
various
every
features
of
this
1200
tunnel
meters,
and taking
essentially
a
to
tour
monitor
of the
air
tunnel.
quality. If the air quality has reduced, there is a ventilation system which will pump in
we can see
fresh
the Prime
air.
Minister stopped his vehicle.
And
He's alighting
pump out,
from the vehicle.
the stale
technical
from
experts
that particular section.
greeting him.
the Prime Minister
system, the transverse
getting down to the vehicle,
which is
from his vehicle, taking a walk first time, and the complete tunnel
looking
in India,
at the various
features
is
of
in any case
the
running
around
the clock in the tunnel. The Prime Minister himself reviewing the various
the tunnel
features
management
of this
and the
tunnel
construction
and
committee,
taking a tour
construction
of the tunnel. Companies, technical people explaining. The Prime Minister at the SOS box opening, getting inside the SOS box. Oh, we can see the Prime Minister stopped his vehicle. He's alighting from the vehicle,
trying to understand
the various features of this. Greeting him, the Prime Minister getting down to the vehicle, briefed from his vehicle, taking a walk and of the various facilities at the various features of this SOS box provides. Tunnel. As I was saying, there are such boxes at every 150 meters, a total of 118. We can see the tunnel management boxes and the construction in the whole 9.2 kilometer long tunnel. Companies, technical people explaining. The Prime Minister at the SOS box opening, getting inside the SOS box, the Union and Transport and Highways Minister trying to understand the various features of this there. Also, Chief Minister Mehbooba Prime Minister being briefed by the technical experts of the various facilities, technical experts of the construction and management provides, explaining to the Prime Minister there are such boxes at every 150 meters. Prime Minister actually getting down from his vehicle and taking the Prime Minister boxes now has come to the cross passage into what is the evacuation tunnel. This is a 9.2 kilometer long the Prime Minister tunnel, parallel tunnel which runs parallel to the main tunnel. In the event of a fire or event of a disaster, people can be brought into this tunnel also through the cross passages. There are 29 such cross passages and can be evacuated safely through this tunnel. Technical experts, this evacuation tunnel of the construction and management company, explaining to the Prime Minister the various features. The Prime Minister actually getting down from his vehicle and taking the Prime Minister now has come through the cross passage essentially into what is the evacuation tunnel. The main tunnel. This is a 9.2 kilometer long the evacuation tunnel, also parallel tunnel which runs in the parallel to the main tunnel. In the event of a fire or event of a disaster, people right up to the main tunnel so that it does not get into the evacuation through the cross passages. There are 29 such cross passages safely and can be evacuated safely through this tunnel, this evacuation tunnel. The Prime Minister actually walking in the tunnel, 29 such passages, review essentially for connecting the main tunnel to the evacuation tunnel. The evacuation tunnel also serves another purpose. It's been the event beam fire live on television screens pump in across India to control the fire of India right up to the main tunnel so that it does not get into the evacuation tunnel. In this tunnel can be 2 lanes of the tunnel, one for the traffic coming from Srinagar to Jammu and the traffic the other for the Srinagar bound traffic from Jammu. The Prime Minister actually walking in the tunnel, taking a review of the various features. The Prime Minister waving. It's being beamed live on television screens across India. The Prime Minister of India actually dedicating the tunnel, of this walking and taking a walk in this tunnel. Which has a 2 lanes of the tunnel, one for the traffic coming from Srinagar to Jammu and the traffic the other for the Srinagar bound traffic from Jammu. Control room of the tunnel which controls various functions of traffic management, safety management, communications of this tunnel. The great lighting of the tunnel, as I was earlier saying, there are signages at every 100 meters in the tunnel. There are some do's and don'ts and traffic safety rules of this which bi-directional tunnel be followed which has a single lane for the do's for the tunnel users. Remove sunglasses, switch off headlights, turn on dipped headlights. Control room
follow
which is
the directions displayed on the signage,
control
and watch
room
out for any
the tunnel
changes
which
in the
controls
speed
various,
limit. The speed limit for this tunnel has been set at 50
traffic
kilometers
management,
safety
per hour,
management,
and
normal
communications
flowing traffic.
of
It
this
should
tunnel.
take about
The
12 minutes
lighting of
to
the tunnel,
15
as I was
minutes
earlier saying,
to cross.
there are
This tunnel
signages
from
at
one end
every
to the
100
other meters in the tunnel. There are some do's and don'ts and traffic safety rules which have to be followed.
Commuters
inside this tunnel
are
advised to follow the
for the
speed
tunnel
limit.
users,
Even
remove
in case
sunglasses
of a vehicle,
switch off headlights,
they are
turn on
advised to
dipped
maintain
headlights,
distance with
follow
the
the
immediate
directions displayed
ahead
on
vehicle,
the signage,
a minimum
and
of
watch
3
out
meters
for
of
any
distance
changes
so that
in the
collisions
speed limit
can be
the speed
avoided.
limit
for this tunnel has been set at 50 kilometers per hour.
Users
at normal
have to
flowing
switch
traffic
on
to
it should
FM
take
frequency
about
92.7 when
15
entering
minutes
the tunnel
to
This
cross
is
this
essentially
tunnel
not just for entertainment.
the other.
Of course, 92.7 will provide you entertainment, but this channel will also be used to relay information of the tunnel
Commuters
conditions
are
and advised to follow the
relay
speed
information
limit
even in case
of
any
stoppage of a
emergency.
vehicle.
The control room
they are advised
that you
to
see on your
maintain
screens
distance
right now
with the
will
immediate
take over
that
ahead
frequency
vehicle a
and
minimum
relay
of 3
information.
meters of distance
They can
so that
actually
collisions
see these
can be avoided.
118 CCTV cameras along
Users
the
per
whole
force
tunnel
have to
will
switch
be
on
providing
to
FM frequency
actually,
real-time
92.7
information when entering the
for
tunnel. This is
the tunnel.
essentially not just for entertainment. Of course, 92.7 will provide you entertainment, but this channel will also be used to relay information of the tunnel conditions and relay
these are
information
visuals, live visuals
in case
that
of
we are
any
beaming to you
emergency
from
inside
the
control
control
room
room
that you see on your
Nashri
screens
tunnel
right now will take over that frequency
9.2
and
kilometer
relay
long
information.
two-lane
Tunnel,
they can
13
actually see
meters
these
of diameter and it has a
118
parallel
CCTV
escape
cameras
tunnel or an
along
evacuation tunnel, which is of
the
course
whole
tunnel
tunnel
smaller
will
because
be
it's single lane.
providing
It has
actually
a
real-time
real-time
information
which
which
is
is
for connected,
the
interconnected. The two tunnels are interconnected at 29 cross passages which are at an interval of 300 meters.
So
ये आप
these are
विजुअल्स देख रहे
live
हैं
visuals
चेन्नई
that we are
नाश्री टनल
beaming
के
to you
अंदर से
from
इस
inside
वक्त
the Chenani
जहां प्रधानमंत्री
नाश्री
नरेंद्र मोदी इस टनल में इस सुरंग का मुआयना कर रहे हैं. उन्होंने कुछ देर पहले इस टनल को ऑफ डायमीटर इनॉग्रेट किया, डेडिकेट किया जम्मू और कश्मीर के लोगों को और भारत के लोगों को. इस टनल को ओपन किया जाएगा ट्रैफिक के लिए आम कम्यूटर्स, आम यूजर्स इस टनल को कल सुबह 7:30 बजे से यूज कर सकते हैं. तमाम क्रॉस पैसेजेस चाहे वो LMV व्हीकल्स हो, लाइट मोटर व्हीकल्स हो या हैवी ट्रक्स हो, वो एक टोल पे करके इस
तो ये आप विजुअल्स देख रहे हैं
चेन्नई नाश्री टनल के अंदर से
जो
इस वक्त
नशारी
जहां प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जिले टनल में इस सुरंग का मुआयना कर रहे हैं. उन्होंने कुछ देर पहले इस टनल के गांव है उधमपुर जिले से इनॉग्रेट किया, डेडिकेट किया पूरा जम्मू एंड कश्मीर के लोगों को और भारत के लोगों को. रास्ता हुआ इस टनल को अब ये ओपन किया जाएगा ट्रैफिक के लिए. किलोमीटर रह जाएगा तो करीब 30 किलोमीटर का रास्ता कल सुबह 7:30 बजे से कट हो जाएगा. ये डिस्टेंस कट हो जाएगा. तमाम जिसका ट्रैवल टाइम में मतलब ये है चाहे वो LMV व्हीकल्स हो, लाइट मोटर व्हीकल्स हो या हैवी ट्रक्स हो, 27 लाख टोल पे करके इस रोड को यूज कर सकते हैं. ईंधन बचत होगी को यूज कर सकते हैं. जो एग्जिस्टिंग ट्रैफिक है उस पर नशारी ट्रैफिक बढ़ता है. रामबन जिले जम्मू कश्मीर के रामबन जिले ऑल वेदर टनल है. अक्सर देखा जाता था के नेशनल हाईवे 44 उधमपुर जिले से कनेक्ट करेगी. पूरा एरिया लैंडस्लाइड प्रोन एरिया है. पहले ये यहाँ पर 40 किलोमीटर जाया करती थी, लंबा रास्ता हुआ करता था. अब ये सिर्फ केवल 9.2 किलोमीटर रह जाएगा तो करीब 30 किलोमीटर का रास्ता होता था. कट हो जाएगा. ये डिस्टेंस कट हो जाएगा. रुक जाता था. ट्रैवल टाइम में मतलब ये है लगते थे 2 से 2.5 घंटे की कंट्रोल्ड फुली ऑटोमेटेड के हिसाब से टनल 27 लाख रुपए प्रति दे जाने से ईंधन बचत होगी. ट्रैफिक स्मूथ होगा और वो जो दिक्कतें हैं अगर ट्रैफिक बढ़ता है कम्यूटर्स को उनसे उन परेशानियों से कम्यूटर्स बच पाएंगे. ये ऑल वेदर टनल है. स्क्रीन पर देखा जाता था यहाँ के नेशनल हाईवे 44 जहाँ से क्योंकि ये पूरा एरिया लैंडस्लाइड प्रोन एरिया है जो यहाँ पर लैंडस्लाइड और कम्युनिकेशंस या सिर्फ 2 लेन था तो वो कंट्रोल होते हैं. फायर फाइटिंग सिस्टम्स कंट्रोल होते हैं. जब एक्सीडेंट होता था या कोई ट्रक ओवरटर्न कर जाता था तो ट्रैफिक रुक जाता था, लंबे लंबे में जैम्स लगते थे, CCTVs लगे हुए हैं, इंटीग्रेटेड कंट्रोल्ड फुली ऑटोमेटेड विजुअल्स लाइव टनल के अंदर से अपनी स्क्रीन पर के जाने से रहते हैं, ट्रैफिक स्मूथ होगा और वो जो दिखते हैं सिस्टम बहुत सारी चीजों को टेक ओवर कर लेता है, परेशानियों से डिजाइन ऐसे किया गया है कि वो ऑटोमेटेड सिस्टम रहे, चाहे यहाँ के कंट्रोल फायर फाइटिंग की बात हो, जहां से इवैक्यूएशन की बात हो, चाहे तमाम जो वेंटिलेशन सिस्टम की बात हो, कम्युनिकेशन एयर को उसमें पंप इन करना, जो ट्रांसफर कंट्रोल होते हैं सिस्टम के फायर फाइटिंग सिस्टम स्टेल एयर को बाहर इस एग्जॉस्ट के अंदर से हर 75 मीटर पर ज्यादातर ये ऑटोमेटेड फंक्शन CCTVs लगे हुए हैं जिनकी रीजन ये है कि ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन को जितना कम किया जा सके, इसका जो स्कोप का जो एरर है बीम होते रहते हैं कंट्रोल रूम में, बड़े बड़े चार एग्जॉस्ट फैन सिस्टम दोनों तरफ लगे हुए हैं, टेक ओवर कर लेता है, डिजाइन ऐसे किया गया है 20,000 क्यूबिक सिस्टम रहे, पर चाहे फायर फाइटिंग का मतलब ये है कि वो चाहे इवैक्यूएशन की बात हो, चाहे स्टील एयर जो है वेंटिलेशन सिस्टम की बात हो, निकालते रहेंगे, फ्रेश एयर को उसमें पंप इन करना, जो ट्रांसवर्स वेंटिलेशन सिस्टम के थ्रू जिनका काम है स्टील एयर फ्रेश एयर को इस टनल एग्जॉस्ट के थ्रू डालना के में पंप इन करते रहना, ज्यादातर ये ऑटोमेटेड फंक्शंस हैं कि इसका क्वालिटी है, रीजन ये है कि ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन को जितना कम किया जा सके, इसका जो स्कोप का जो एरर है तो उसको कम किया जा सके। सांस लें, बड़े बड़े 4 एग्जॉस्ट फैंस दोनों तरफ लगे हुए हैं, जिनकी कैपेसिटी की लाइटिंग यूज की गई है 7,20,000 क्यूबिक मीटर 6,000 पर LED लाइट्स है, अलग अलग का मतलब ये है कि वो हरे रंग की लगातार की इसका एयर जो है एक तो लाइट अप करना निकालते रहेंगे, ऐसे ही प्रॉपर रोशनी हो सप्लाई के जब ड्राइवर टनल के अंदर होता है तो अक्सर काम है फोबिया हो जाता है, इस टनल क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक हो जाता है क्योंकि ये बंद टनल है करते रहना और करीब 12 से 15 मिनट इस टनल में बिताना, तो कुछ ड्राइवर्स को एक फोबिया हो जाता है कि मोनोटनी ब्रेक करने के लिए अलग अलग तरह की ट्रैवल करेंगे ताकि वो डिस्ट्रैक्टेड रहे, जो सांस लें किसी फोबिया में ना रहे और ट्रैफिक स्मूथली पास होता रहे, एक्सीडेंट के चांसेस आप देख सकते हैं तमाम तरह की लाइटिंग यूज की गई है, 720 करीब 6,000 LED लाइट्स जो अलग अलग रंगों की, 150 वाट हरे रंग की, लाल रंग की, 1250 मतलब ये है एक तो लाइट अप करना टनल साइड वॉक्स पर बल्ब पर रोशनी हो, दूसरी के जब ड्राइवर 700 टनल के अंदर होता है तो अक्सर एक फोबिया हो जाता है, छोटी क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक हो जाता है क्योंकि ये बंद टनल है और करीब 12 से 15 मिनट इस टनल में बिताना हम देख सकते हैं, कुछ ड्राइवर्स को एक फोबिया हो जाता है कि मोनोटनी ब्रेक करने के अलग अलग तरह की टनल का मुआयना करके वो डिस्ट्रैक्टेड मुआयना कर रहा है, किसी फोबिया में ना रहे और ट्रैफिक स्मूथली पास होता रहे, एक्सीडेंट के चांसेस को कम किया जा सके। करीब 720 यूनियन मिनिस्टर बल्ब हैं जो 150 वाट नाइट टाइम बल्ब प्रधानमंत्री 1250 का मुआयना कर रहे हैं, साइड वॉक्स पर बल्ब्स लगाए हुए हैं, 720 केयर स्टोन लाइट, दो अपने आप में एक बड़ा छोटी लाइट्स लगाई हुई हैं, इंजीनियरिंग का एक बड़ा नमूना है, रिफ्लेक्टर्स ये टनल क्योंकि ये पूरे इसमें बहुत सारे ये एक तो साउथ एशिया की प्रधानमंत्री पहली का लेवल के पूरी टनल का मुआयना करके जिसमें मुआयना कर रहा है, उनके साथ 2 लेन की ये टनल है, चीफ मिनिस्टर महबूबा मुफ्ती और जो मेन टनल है उसके बगल में एक पैरेलल एस्केप टनल साथ में करीब 6 डायमीटर की है और दोनों वो एसेंशियली एक इवैक्यूएशन टनल है, अगर कोई आपदा होती है, फायर होती है, आग लग जाती है या कोई सिक्योरिटी इंसिडेंट होता है या और किन्हीं वजहों से बड़ा लोगों को वहां से इवैक्यूएट करना पड़े, इंजीनियरिंग का एक 29 ऐसे पैसेंजर्स हैं ये दोनों ही क्योंकि टनल्स के बीच में से जिसको तुरंत साउथ एशिया लोगों को इवैक्यूएट किया जा सके, इस टनल है टनल पर जहां प्रधानमंत्री इस वक्त जैसे कहा कि मुआयना कर रहे हैं, 2 लेन की ये टनल है, ट्रैफिक के लिए यूज किया जाएगा, जो इवैक्यूएशन टनल है वो एसेंशियली एक स्टैंड बाय टनल है, एस्केप टनल बड़े-बड़े पंखे लगे हुए हैं डायमीटर पर जो है एसेंशियली एयर क्वालिटी को रेगुलेट करते हैं, इवैक्यूएशन टनल है, अगर कोई आपदा होती है, फ्रेश फायर होती है, आग लग जाती है या कोई सिक्योरिटी इंसिडेंट होता है या और किन्हीं वजहों से लोगों को वहां से इवैक्यूएट करना पड़े, तो ये वेंटिलेशन सिस्टम है जो दोनों ही टनल्स के बीच में से जिसको को तुरंत आउट कर रहा है, लोगों को इवैक्यूएट किया जा सके थ्रू इस आग लगती है मेन टनल के लिए, जहां प्रधानमंत्री इस वक्त पुल आउट मुआयना कर रहे हैं। 4 बड़े-बड़े यूज किया जाएगा, दोनों इवैक्यूएशन टनल है वो दोनों ही स्टैंड बाय टनल लगाए गए हैं। इसमें बड़े-बड़े पंखे लगे हुए हैं टनल की एंट्रेंस पर कि प्रधानमंत्री एयर क्वालिटी को रेगुलेट करते हैं। टनल की छत पर एग्जॉस्ट के और फ्रेश एयर पंपिंग करने के प्रधानमंत्री के साथ हैं। पूरा